Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick review on this Rugged Tools tool carry bag that I got off of Amazon. You know, I know the hardest thing to judge online is the size and the quality of construction of some of this, so that's what I'll focus on real quick. All right, so I have mine here in my underseat compartment in my truck, and it rolls up nice, so I'll get it out and show you. All right, so I've got at least 30 pounds probably of tools in here. And it does have 3 carry handles. So it's got 3 carry handles and they're all holding up nice. I think I've had it about 2 years. The handles are nice and firm. They are padded as well. So yeah, when you got it all rolled up, you got 3 handles here total. And they've all, you know, none of them are ripping at the seams or anything like that. They're holding up well. It's got these clips to hold it together for you. So as far as size goes on it, the material itself is very nice, you know, canvas type material. The zippers have been holding up well, no problems, no issues with that. They all do good. So yeah, everything's holding up well. Size wise, I've got one of those large 240 piece mechanic sets in here. I've got all of that in here. I've got my wrenches, I've got all my sockets, and you know, all my drivers there, and yeah, the sockets. And I bought some of these little organizers for my sockets to keep them organized. You know, got my ratchets and everything in here. So I've got a full mechanic set in there, and it's been holding up fine. Like I said, the material's good construction, nice solid zippers, and yeah, the carry handles are very nice. There's even an outer pocket here if you need something on the outside that you want to get to more often. Yeah, I mean, it's just good quality construction all the way around. No issues, no problems. Like I said, I've had it for a couple of years, and it's been doing good. So yeah, that's about it.